If I told you that your birth certificate is lying to you, would you believe me? According to Harvard's Dr. David Sinclair, your chronological age, the number of candles on your last cake, is just a number. But your biological age? That is a choice. In the US and Europe, we've been told for decades that aging is an inevitable slide into decay. But what if you could spend just 3 minutes a day patching your DNA like a software update? Today, we're diving into the biological age pillar, the science of slowing down time itself. We aren't talking about expensive supplements or $50,000 stem cell injections. We're talking about one specific 3-minute scientific habit that repairs your telomeres, the protective caps on your DNA. And look, I know what you're thinking. Is this another one of those drink kale juice while standing on your head videos? Trust me, I like pizza too much for that. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a protocol used by the world's top longevity experts to make your internal organs 10 to 20 years younger than your driver's license says. If you're ready to stop aging and start living, drop a time traveler in the comments. Let's get into the science. To understand how to reverse aging, you need to understand telomeres. Think of them like the plastic tips on your shoelaces, the aglets. They stop your DNA from fraying. Every time your cells divide, these tips get shorter. When they get too short, the cell dies, or worse, it becomes a zombie cell that causes inflammation. This is essentially the biological definition of getting old. Dr. David Sinclair, a leading geneticist at Harvard, suggests that aging is actually a loss of information. Our cells forget how to function because the epigenome, the system that reads our DNA, gets cluttered. But here's the breakthrough. Certain stressors can trigger an enzyme called telomerase. This is the repair crew that actually grows those shoelace tips back. So what is the habit? It's called REHIT, Reduced Exertion High-Intensity Interval Training, or specifically, a 3-minute hypoxic burst. You don't need a gym. You don't even need to change your clothes. Dr. Peter Attia, author of Outlive and a world-renowned longevity physician, argues that VO2 max is the single greatest predictor of how long you will live. To trigger DNA repair, you need to reach a state of breathlessness for a very short window. Here is the 3-minute protocol. The 1-minute ramp-up. Just move. Jumping jacks, running in place, or even aggressive shadow boxing. The 20-second all-out sprint. You need to go at 100% intensity. This triggers hypoxia, a temporary low oxygen state in the tissues.